step in starting an embryology project is setting up your equipment. We have here a standard styrofoam incubator. I cleaned the incubator up using bleach, added water to the bottom. I inserted a temperature gauge here, a thermometer, and I also made sure that this temperature setting on this electronic heater was set using these dip switches on the bottom to get the chickens right around 100 degrees. So after I got the incubator set up, I let it run overnight to make sure the temperature was indeed actually at 100 and to let the humidity build up inside. And next step was to take these eggs. I numbered each one with a number on the end, and then an X on one side and an O on the other. The reason for the X's and O's is to keep track of which side was turned last, because these have to be turned 3 times a day, and we want to make sure that they don't miss that, because if they do, the embryos inside will actually stick to the shell as they grow. Okay, we're looking at egg number 2. It has an extremely active chick inside. The embryo keeps kind of appearing up at the eggshell and then going back towards the center. The dark eye is the spot you keep seeing on the center of your screen there, coming in and then disappearing again. You can actually see a little bit of the vein that's attaching to the embryo inside of the egg, supplying it, of course, with all its nutrients. So this is probably the most active one we've seen yet. What do you say, guys? This one looks like it's in there doing push-ups or something. And then you see that lighter orange color up at the top of the egg is a large air cell. This one looks like he's in really, really good shape. Okay, again, that's egg number 2. Okay, here we have a day 19 candling. And as you can now see, the air cell is the only thing visible in the egg. The rest of the egg is completely being occupied by the growing chick. That's why it's so dark over here. And the air cell, the little pocket of air the chick will breathe when it attempts to pop out, is the only thing with any light going through. It's Monday, April 4th, 11:20 a.m. We have our very first pip hole. I'm just documenting that this is number 17, and you can see this is our first chick trying to... I just came to school, and I hear some cheeping back here, so let's see what's happening. Oh my. Alright, there's, looks like 6 chicks that hatched overnight, and right now there's actually a 7th one trying to pop out as we speak. Wow, this is an early hatch this year. They are due to hatch today, but I've never had this many hatch on the very expected day, so this is fantastic. I'm going to get these guys out of here and over into our brooder, which is all set up and been warming up here for several hours, so that way these guys can get something to eat and rest a little bit, because they're pretty tired from their journey out of the eggs.